I'm gonna walk into the terminal. We'll see you soon. This is the main bedroom, which is beautiful. It's super roomy. Welcome back to Jolly Darling Travel. I am headed to Walt Disney World. So don't mind me, I have to do my own parking, and I obviously cannot look at the phone and try to park at the same time, but I am going to be bougie and do preferred parking just because I don't have time. I don't have time to not. I need to get to my my flight. So I don't know. I probably shouldn't be doing this, but hey, you know, I'm by myself. It's only $17 a day. It's not horrible. All right, so I can't vlog too much. I am solo traveling to Walt Disney World to see my parents for a few days. We are checking into Saratoga Springs. So if you're interested in that, stick along. Okay, I've parked, got my bags. I'm gonna walk into the terminal. We'll see you soon.
So take this love and try to make it new. You can't fight it when it feels so true. You got me crazy like no one else. The final moment before I lose myself. And it's no use working 9 to 5. If you want more than to stay alive, come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light, oh. So come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. Superman, come fly with me, just take my hand. And now that we are cruising in mid-flight, you better watch out for the kryptonite. So come on over, we can make it through, make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do, just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night, we're dancing.
Okay, so our room is not ready yet, but I'm gonna say at first glance, I'm really liking the vibe here at Saratoga Springs. It's very chill in comparison to most Disney resorts. You don't feel like super hustle. It kind of feels very slow and relaxed. I just walked around really quick and talked to the guy over at the golf course entrance. This is all really new for me because one, I don't really watch a lot of vlogs with this in this actual resort. I have booked clients here, but I've never experienced it for myself, so it's really nice to kind of have something super new so that I feel like I'm on a real vacation. So I'm gonna wait for my parents to get here. Once I get into the room, I'll be able to do a room tour, but I'm not gonna do too much of a resort tour right now because I don't really quite get where everything is at the moment. Now, Saratoga Springs is a DVC resort. We have a 1-bedroom villa, which I'm really excited because it's totally refurbished. You can tell that the interior of this hotel is also refurbished when you go into the lobby. All right, so let's hopefully get into our room soon. Look who the cat dragged in!
We made a wrong turn at Albuquerque.
So a really nice thing of this this resort is my parents are here to golf, and we're able to drop off.
So you must be Al.
Here at Lake Buena Vista Golf.
Hi, folks.
Hi.
Now.
So we're gonna store their golf clubs here, so they don't have to bring them to the room.
So for 2 months,
Fill this out and put Wednesday on there just for now. And if you play today and you want to leave it, whatever.
now my wife has clubs too. So
Clubs, and they are going to take them to store so that they can play golf basically whenever they want, they're down here, which is really nice that these are not going to be in the villa. 745 in the grandstand, which subsequently we came back here to go look at the pool, and we were at the right building, so here we go. So we are 8745. Ooh. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, it's beautiful. Absolute wow. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at this huge closet. Okay, so I will do a better room tour. I'll actually have a full room tour in my resort video. But for now, I am just gonna give you the quick tour. This is the kitchen. And then this is gonna be the pull-down Murphy bed. So this is really, really nice. And our view is of the golf course and a tiny bit of Disney Springs. So I'm gonna just get myself in here and then I'll do a full room tour. I'm in the grandstand of Saratoga Springs. So when you first walk in, you have a nice little area to put your keys, a coat hook. This is a locked door to your left. Then when you come into the main villa portion, you do have a full table right here. To the right, you have a kitchen with full-size appliance, a microwave, fridge, dishwasher. It's a really, really cute kitchen. It's equipped with everything that you need. I will say the storage space is a little narrow right here, so you really don't have a ton per se, but you have everything that you need. And then this is going to be a Murphy bed. It's going to drop down. Very easily it does drop down. Probably should have moved this thing out of the way, but I'm just for real quick. Ugh. Push this back up for now. I think you need 2 people to get that down. There is also a bed right here underneath the television. So you can see that here. I've kicked my parents out onto the porch and they're overlooking the golf course. So now we're gonna come back this way. You have a washer and dryer in this villa. So that's really nice because remember, this is a DVC resort. This is the main bedroom, which is beautiful. It's super roomy. Very, 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 very nicely decorated. You have a lot of drawer space, just a lot of room in general. Then we have the big bathroom with a big bathtub. I'm just gonna step back this way. Turn the light on. Okay. And then this is like more of it's a storage closet for like cleaning supplies and for your clothes. And then we do have a second toilet with a shower, which is really, really nice. Actually, wait, no, I think we have 1 toilet. So we have 1 toilet, 1 sink. Let me see, is there another? Yeah, so it is just 1 toilet in this room. But this room is very spacious, and I believe it can sleep. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 adults comfortably. Okay, so my dad's gonna pull the other side, I'm gonna pull this side, and we're gonna pull this Murphy bed down. Sounds a little scary, but just keep pushing it down and it will totally come down. So now this is going to be your Murphy bed sleeper, which is 10 times better than having a pull-out couch. And then if we go this way, this is a third sleeper, and honestly, you really just want a kid or a very small adult on this one because, you know, there is nothing that positions or like anchors it from the bottom. So just in case, keep the little ones on it. But yeah, so this is your extra space. Thanks, Dad, for being a great demo. All right. All right, so this is our view at think this is really nice, especially for my dad who's a golfer and my mom who's here to golf as well. So yeah, so this concludes my travel day. I'm a little sweaty, of course, but if you've made it this far, thank you so much. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, and do all the things. And make sure you turn those post notifications on, because I will have a full resort tour at the end of my trip. So thank you so much for following my travel day. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Just what to do.